Hello and welcome. Today we're going to see a day in the life of a Tesla. It's not any different than any other car, but in our case, today we've got a bunch of errands going on. Got to unplug it. It's set to charge when the solar panels are up. Okay, let's see what's in the back here. Oh yeah, modern spares back here. Let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna put the two dogs back here. And we'll just set it there. Let's go ahead and put these seats down. Okay, we're good to go. Go get the dogs now and get them up in here. You wanna go for a ride? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's go. Wait, oh, go get them. Here they go. Oh, Hank's in. Come on, Luna. Get a running jump. Come on, jump. Jump hard. Oh, you did it. Good work. Okay. They don't know they're going to the vet, but it's okay. You guys stay. We have the two pups in the car. Headed to the vet now. Gonna pick up my wife next. Good boy. Hey, Luna. Yeah, the dogs certainly like car rides. They just don't know they're going to the vet for their yearly physical. We made it to the vet. Now we're going to wait until they come out and get the pups. We're going to have some fun today. Yes, we are. The dogs have gone inside. Now we get to chill out. We're going to watch some videos or something here on the screen. Let's see what Jeff's up to. Latest Austin, Texas Gigafactory. Actually, I think it's a Terrafactory. Make it full screen here. Boy, it's sure coming along. Get rid of all these lousy advertisements, it'd be better. We're gonna watch YouTube here for a little while we're waiting for the dogs to get done.
Delivered 500,000 vehicles.
Sitting here watching Now You Know and waiting for the dogs.
Shanghai has begun, with deliveries expected to begin.
It's been 38 minutes. Dogs are doing their thing. They're just about done. Zach and Jesse's about halfway through this Tesla time news. They should be out soon. Well, here they are now, the pups. Looks like they're doing all right. We'll get them loaded up here. Well, how was your doctor's appointment? Pretty good? Yeah, not bad. Let's go home. Pups are loaded and we're on the road. Gonna be heading to the house. Dump pups off. We are back home. I got some pups in here, don't I? Come on, Hank. Come on, boy. Hank. Hank. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go. Let's get a treat. Here, give me your thing. Oh, well, come on. Come on, let's go. Jump. There you go. Good boy. All right. Emptied out and get out of here again. We're going to be going to the grocery store next. Gonna get the spare tire. Don't necessarily need it. We're in town. The Tesla Roadside would deal with it. But since I have it, I'll put it in the car. We'll set these seats up and we're out of here. There is nothing like making your own fuel for your car. There are 4 power walls here, 40 kilowatt hours, 20 kW of solar. The car charger is here, and all we have to do when we get home is plug it in. We don't go to gas stations, we go right here. This is our fuel pump. We are on the way to our next destination. We're heading to a town nearby called Forest City. We're going to get a little lunch and got a task to do to go to Walmart, get a few things, and then head home. We're on the highway now, headed east, Highway 74. Looks like lunch. Hey, look at that, right next to Harbor Freight. We are full. Had a club sandwich. Now on to Walmart. It's just down the road. We are here at Walmart. Oh boy. All right, another fine Wally World run. Got a ton of vegetables and stuff like that. Now on the way home, about 24 miles here. It's getting late. It's almost 4 o'clock. We now have a new mission. We're not heading home, we're actually heading over to Tractor Supply to buy some horse chow and some dog food. Yeah, I think we'll put it on the driver's side maybe. Got a double seat there back. Oh, it'll probably fit okay. Oh, I'll move my seat up here. That's what happens when you're 6'6". Yeah, we got plenty of room back here now. You throw all this junk in there. Well, there you have it. 3 more bags of junk. You think we have to go somewhere else?
No.
Darn. I was hoping to get more stuff in here. Now, yeah, we're going to be getting some milk. Currently at Food Line here on the way back home. A couple gallons, I think. That'll be our next stop here in Columbus, North Carolina. Look at that.
Japanese cuisine.
Japanese food. New place just opened up apparently. How about that? Gas station Chinese. Make that gas station Japanese food. Oh, that should be interesting. Looks like it's new just today.
No hiring, so I don't know if it's even open yet.
I don't know. They're there, so that's good. We have a little Chinese place here up in Columbus, pretty good, called the Joy Walk. Just waiting outside of the store for my wife to come out. I guess we got a little more than 2 gallons of milk, but it's okay. It fits. Well, I think we're done for the day. Heading home now.
Stop at the barn.
Oh yeah, we got to stop at the barn, take care of the horses. Yeah, this is part of living on a ranch. Got to haul all the junk in and out of the barn. Well, I got a couple to go. Yeah, these are only 50 pounds. When I move the hay, sometimes it can be 80 or 90 per bale, but it's not bad. I'll just put it here for now. There you go. Job's never done. My wife's always feeding the horses, cats, you name it. Color is Tigger. Hey Tig. And this is Pete. Hey Pete. They hold down the barn. Let's see here. Hey, there's Pete. I mean, that's Fred. Hey Fred. Good job, buddy. Okay. Feeding time for the kitties. Oh boy. What you doing? Oh, that's Jack. He's a good boy. Aren't you? Well, he used to be a boy. I ain't no boy no more. And over there, that guy over there is General. They're the 2 horses here at the house. And they love to eat. They love treats and everything else. So there you go. So we're always feeding the barn cats and the 2 horses and of course the dogs. Yeah, I know you want to go. We're not ready yet. Yes, I know. I know you want to go. I know something's in there to eat, isn't it? Good man. So when I get home, this is the fuel I use for my car. It comes down this pipe in the form of electrical energy, comes out of the electrical box in your house. And of course it goes through this wall connector, which is essentially a set of big relays that once I hook to the car here, if you can see, the fuel starts flowing from the house into the car. But like you learned earlier, this blue light here indicates we're on scheduled charging. This scheduled charging here will wait until 10 a.m. to start charging the car, but we're hooked up and we're absolutely ready to go. The car is scheduled to start charging at 10 a.m. and until then it sits in standby mode here. So the solar panels power the wall connector. They power these 3 power walls and charge them up with solar energy. And that's managed here through the Tesla controller into the house, where the house is powered at night with the solar energy that's actually collected during the day that is not used, that would normally flow to the grid. I store it in these batteries. The batteries supply the house. When they finally run out of energy, then power flows in from the grid and it continues running the house. And while I can charge the car here, it will use all the energy in the power wall because the battery in the car is almost twice as big as these 3 power walls on the wall. So the battery in the car is really great, but you'll suck your power wall dry. And while that's okay, you get to use all that free solar energy you use during the day. It actually works out well powering the house at night. Okay, I'm going to put the car away for the night. It'll be ready in the morning with the charge that I set, and I can drive it again all over the place with energy that I use from my home electrical system. Drove 83 miles today. Since I live in the country, everything is a long ways away except local stores, but a lot of times we need to get stuff at some of the stores in the surrounding cities. I have 3 ways to go, north, east, or south, usually around 20-ish miles, so it's usually a hike. Did some extra stuff, but it all fit here in the Model Y, and it worked well today. So when I usually get home, I usually plug it in. I usually set the limit here, if I'm not going anywhere, to about 75%. That's 200 and some miles. And the car charges up and quits charging once it gets to the set limit. If it looks like I'm going to be traveling longer distance, I'll go on my app and push that limit up. And since it's hooked up to the charger, it'll automatically start charging and get to that new set limit within an hour or so. I've also set up scheduled charging here, as you can see, which means that when I plug it in, it's not going to suck the power walls dry. What it'll do is we'll wait until 10 a.m. and you ask, well, why am I going to do that? Well, I'm equipped here with 20,000 watts of solar panels, and instead of using the energy in the power wall to charge the car, even though I could, I choose to only charge on solar, so I get to drive the car for something like free, of course minus the cost of installing the system. But I've had the system long enough, I'm about halfway paid off. And of course it's nighttime, and this is what happens at night. The car recognizes it and goes to night mode. I hope you can see that the Tesla is just a car. You can treat it just as you've treated your other cars. You fuel it at home. You don't have to stop anywhere, and the maintenance is essentially zero. If you would like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link here shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.